Hello and welcome to the Beerman Fan TV. It's the uncensored match preview show as San Miguel will travel away, taking on NLEX Road Warriors tomorrow night 7 p.m. at the Cuneta Astrodome, Wednesday. San Miguel are in the very good run, currently in the first place in the team standings in the Philippine Cup. NLEX naman ay currently 8th place, are looking for a twice to big advantage quarterfinal if they can qualify easily in advance. So NLEX is pursuing another shot to win this game against us. So mahirap ang kakalabanin natin, pero dating gawi, ngayon nagbago na. At we have to watch out first with the likes of Asi Taulava and Winnie Arboleda na sa ngayon na-injury pa siya, kaya hintayin pa lang ang lalong madaling panahon. At iingatan natin panoorin si Sean Anthony because he's also a best player of the week a couple weeks ago. So we have to watch out and we have to keep on eye on them. At meron din mga baguhan na players na dating naglalaro din sa NLEX at nagbabalik ang mga players noon sa NLEX at hanggang ngayon with the likes of Kevin Alas, Garvo Lanete. So we have to pursue on this. Starting 5 sa akin will be 2-beat because I want him on the left part, on the outer part of the 3-point line. Next one is Chris Lutz. I will put on the right corner of the sidelines from right to left. Junmar will remain at the center, so I want him to prove his performance balance. And the captain I'll put on the left for Arvin Santos. And lastly, Alex Cabacnot for finishing touches, as he wants to make a creativity on play by its assist. So we have to find out on what's his new streak. So ang starting 5 sa akin, Cabacnot, Fajardo, Santos, Tubit, and Lutz. Same as the starting lineup in the last game. So yun na yun. By the way, we have one more thing. If we substitute early, and as of now, I want Marshall to be on sub on the 8-minute mark, and then Ryan Aranya will be sub second for Chris Lutz. So titignan natin kung anong formation ni Coach Leo para bukas. Anyway, let us tell us comment section below, and like us on Facebook on the Beerman Fan TV. Follow us both Instagram and Twitter on the Beerman Fan TV. Anyway, salamat sa pagtutok sa the Beerman Fan TV. I'm Andrew Alvaro, and we'll see you in the game. Inshallah. Bye.